Okay, we are going to discuss our lesson 3.2. We are different. In last lesson, we discussed that we are similar. What is the meaning of similar? Similar means same. What is the meaning of similar? Same. Or or what is the meaning of similar? Being the same in some ways. Same. There should be no difference. So we are similar in many ways. On the meanwhile, we are different. Okay. We are similar in many ways, but we are different. What is the meaning of different? Something that is not the same. Okay. Something that is not the same is called different. Something that is not the same is called different. The picture shows learners at school. What does this picture shows? It shows the students in the school and they are taking a group photo with their teacher. This is their teacher, and these are the students, or you can say these are the learners. They are all similar. They are all similar. Why they are similar? Because they are wearing the same uniform. Their clothes are same and they are sitting in one classroom. They are of same age. They all are happy to take a picture. So these are their similar characteristics. These things make them similar. Okay, this is how they are similar. First of all, they are sitting in the same class. Second, they are wearing the school uniform. Number three, they all are happy to take a group photo with their teacher. So these things are similar in them, and they all like to play and they all love to play. Look, here are the toys. In front of them, there are toys. Maybe after they finish with the pictures, with the photos or the photo shoot, they are going to play with the toys. So these are their similarities. These are their similar things. Like they all are of same age, they are in same class, they have the same teacher, they are all are happy to take picture, they all are sitting and smiling for the photographer. Okay, these are their similarities. Understood? As the similarities we have discussed in our last lecture in detail. So today our topic is we are different. What is the meaning of different? Something that is not the same is called different. Understood? The learners are not all same. There are all a little different. Talk about it. Okay, so first we talk about their similarities, same things. Now we are going to talk about their differences. So you have to focus on this picture. Understood? What are their differences? First of all, some of them are tall, some of them are short, some of them have black hair color, some of them have brown, and one of it has yellow. Okay, the main one of the difference is that the color of their hairs is different. Number three, the difference number three, the style of their hairs. The style of their hairs are also different. Some have straight hairs, some have curly hairs, some of them have wavy hair. Look, some of them have wavy hairs, and some of them have curly hairs. Some of them have straight hairs. Some of them have short hairs, and some of them have long hairs. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the color of their skin. Some of them are white, some of them are medium brown, and some of them are of chocolate color. This is the variety Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make between us. If we all look alike, we all would have the same features, then it would be very boring. So Allah is the best creator. So He made each one of us with different feature. What are features? Our eyes, nose, hair, skin color. These are the features. So Allah made the features of everyone different. See the eyes. Check out the eyes now. Some have very small eyes. Some of them have very big eyes. Some of the students have medium eyes. Okay. And the color of their eyes are also different. You cannot see in the picture, but if you can focus, you will get that some of the students have black eye color. Their lens, the color of their lens is black, and some of them have brown lens. Their teacher have brown lens, and the hairs are also brown. So these are the differences. There is different of face size, face shape. Look, each of the student have different face cut. Some have round, some have oval, some have square, some have circles. The shape of their face is also different. Understood? What we have discussed with the differences. First of all, we discussed their hairs, the color of their hairs, the style of their hairs, the length of their hairs. Then we discussed their skin color, their skin types. The color of their skin is also differ from one another. And then we discussed their height. Each of the student has different height. Some of them are short, some of them are tall. Number 5, the shape of their face is different. The size of their eyes is different. The color of their eyes is also different. These are the differences that we can see physically. Okay. Now we are going to talk about the differences that are in emotionally or in characters. As we have seen, there are a lot of people in the world. Some are kind, some are cruel. Some have good manners. They listen to their teacher carefully and to their parents. Some do not. So, these are also important characteristics that make us different from each other. Like in our class, we can see some of the students are, mashallah, very good. Some of them are only good. How they are, some of them are very good and some of them are just good because some of them focus and participate in the class. Some of them are just there, they are just listening, they are not replying to the teacher's question. So these are the differences that from which we can differentiate. Talk to your friends about how you are all different. You can talk to your family about it. Talk about the hair that we already did, skin, the color of the skin and the type of the skin, height, tall or short, clothes, glasses. Some of the students wear glasses because their eyesight is weak. Some of them have good eyesight, so there is no need for them to wear glasses. This is also a physical difference. Games you like. Some of you people like football, some of them like volleyball. So these are also the differences. These are also the differences of characteristic. Understood? Things you do not like. Some of the students like chocolate ice cream. Some of them like vanilla. So this is also a difference. We cannot say that grade 1C, all of them like chocolate ice creams. No, everyone has different personality. Everyone has different choices. Okay, understood? Look at these children, they are different. Look, these are different. Which child has dark hair? The first girl has the dark hair. So, the girl who is wearing a sweater, she has the dark hairs. Which children have brown eyes? For this, we have to zoom the picture and see them carefully. Okay, boys, focus on the picture. Which of the have brown eyes? I think the brown eyes are of second boy. This boy has a brown hairs and a brown eyes. Which children's are girls? First one and the last one, they are girls because they have long hairs. And this boy and this child is a boy. Understood? What we have learned, we can see how we are similar. So, in this lesson, we have learned that how we are similar, we can see how we are different. We are similar in some of the aspects, like we all are humans, we all have two hands, we all have two eyes, one nose, one mouth, and in this meanwhile, we are also different in our face expressions, the shape of our face, the shape of our body structure, the color of our eyes, the color of our hairs, the color of our skin, the our height, our characteristics, the things we like, the things we do not like. I hope you have understood the lesson carefully, uh, properly. You have understood the lesson properly. And take care. Thanks for your participation. Have a nice day.